and dear valuable members of the yachting industry, and welcome to third edition of Super Yacht Summit in the vibrant city of Istanbul. And I would like to pass my special thanks to Super Yacht Summit organization to keep it more professional year by year and getting together more people year by year. Thank you to all the organization. So today it's a great honor to address you as the President of the Yacht Tourism Association to share insight into Turkey's growing as a world-class yachting destination and emerging powerhouse in super yacht construction. So today I will speak you about briefly 6 topics, mainly because there are some progress in the yachting industry on regulation-wise. I will be honored to share it with you guys today. So, first, 2025 Yacht Tourism Outlook. The 2025 season will mark another milestone for Turkish yacht tourism. In 2024, Turkey achieved $61.1 billion in tourism revenue. So we already surpassed over 25.8 billion for the first quarter of the year. And representing the yachting industry income, it is about 3 to 4 billion annually. So it is roughly 5 to 7% of the total tourism revenues. This growth reflects not only the allure of coastline, but the professionalism, safety, and innovation now defining Turkish yacht tourism. The second topic is coastline built for yachting excellence. Turkish coast, 8,333 kilometers, offers one of the world's richest cruising geography. Naturally sheltered bays, indented coasts, and calm waters ideal for safe navigation. Our coastline hosts over 500 blue flag beaches, symbolizing cleanliness, safety, and sustainability. A mark that places Turkey among the top 3 nations worldwide. Our marinas from Istanbul to Antalya combine deep water access, full service infrastructure, and luxury facilities that rival or surpass European standards already. With over 26,000 yacht berths nationwide and expanding capacity, including the new Demre Marina with 700 berths, Turkey is now a key Mediterranean hub for super yachts. We make our coast unique is the harmony of nature, culture, and the lifestyle. While cruising, visitors can explore ancient ruins such as Knidos, Kaunos, Patara, Ephesus, Phasalis, all along the Turkish coast. Literally a living museum stretching across our shores. Every bay offers local and international gastronomy, exclusive beach clubs, water sports, and entertainment venues. Protected anchorage and mild Mediterranean weather make Turkey one of the safest and most enjoyable cruising regions in the world. The third topic, Turkish shipyards, almost a global leader. In yacht construction, Turkey has risen to 2nd place globally for mega yacht production. According to the Global Order Book 2025, Turkish yachts account for 146 projects totaling 6,410 meters and average length 43.9 and a 12.9% global market share. So this is remarkable, I think. Our shipyards combine advanced engineering, superior craftsmanship and cost efficiency, offering bespoke yachts, the rival those built in Italy or the Netherlands.